In this episode, we see Tanma sing off, bye bye off Eva, and on the other hand, we see Peter as well as our main lead, Anna. And then she is trying to remember her memory, to regain her memory so she can fight against her monster brother. And then they both talk to each other, and Anna told Peter about his memories, about the person who asked her to forget everything, and then she suddenly yelled and began to cry. On the other hand, we see lawyer and the other person. The lawyer is talking to him on the and we see lawyer sitting with Anna, and he is trying to help her to regain her memory. And Doctor, Teeter, and the other are sitting outside, and we see Anna. He hypnotized Anna, and then he told her just to sleep, just to close your eye and just try to forget about everything. And then he began to ask question about her identity. He began to ask who are you, where from are you coming, and then slowly and gradually she told him that I am not Anna. On the other hand, we see Dr. Tanma, who has just come into someone's house, and now he is taking care of. And that man told him that I know that you're not coming here from for and for killing. You are coming here for killing someone. And then we see Tanma lay down, and he was just sleeping, and the person who just came to him and asked him that where is my gun. I know you are the one who has hid it, and who has hidden it. And then Tanma gave him that gun, and told him that I don't want to do the same thing which I have done, so please don't do it. But that man told him that I found this gun from your pocket, so please give me my gun, otherwise I will kill you. But I'm not going to let go that person. That just because of that person I lost my son. Once that person was my friend, but now I really hate him, because just because of him I've lost my son. Once I gave him my son as training, but he, just because of his disgusting training, I have lost my son today, and I can't get him anyway. Then we see their past, that man's past. Now that man has become a very big person, and just because of him today, just because of that person, he entered into this city, and then uh, he asked him to train as well as give training to my son as well, and he gave the training. At that time, they both sitting to next to each other. Then he told him that I can't do it there, but now I have a training, and now I can overcome the whole world, and now I can do anything. Now I think that I have the purpose of living my life. At that time, we see him asking that what is that purpose, but he didn't tell him. And then they both but he didn't tell me, and just smile. And at that time, he gave um, his son as a training to him, but only just because of his training, uh, that person has lost his son, because just because of that training, people began to suicide, and his son also go suicide. So he has never gotten son, and he is just reminding his talk to him how he got my son and took it away from me. And then we see that son, that person, and then his friend came here as a journalist, and then all began to eat. On the other hand, his family began to eat food, and Dr. Tanma is the one who is making food, and the woman said that it's very pity that the person who is taking care of us is not here, and on the and we also see report on, and we also see news. In the news we see that someone is trying to attack on him, but he couldn't, but he also lost his life at that time. So this is the ending. Let's meet in another video.